What if your next collage project started with something as simple as a tissue box? I'll show you how I turned mine into a winter wonderland folio filled with sparkle, lace, and vintage charm. Stay tuned and see how I filled it. Need your help in filling this folio, but first I want to explain what this kind of folio is. It's made from a tissue box. So let's take a peek inside, won't we? Look at this. The pieces of this tissue box were turned into a really great folio for junk journaling. I filled these pockets already, but let's take a deeper look into what all is included. This is a cut piece from that tissue box. I turned it into a pocket with some lace trim and a little bit of snowflake embellishment to help with that winter theme. This is a die cut and some more gems. And this beautiful blue and silver paper just sets the tone for winter. Don't you agree? Here's a little bit of ephemera, die cut, and some vintage looking snowflakes for this pocket. In this pocket, it's just a glitter paper that I thought went with the winter theme. And these two pieces actually got a little help from AI. I was able to come up with some more vintage looking winter theme ephemera. Now, here's how we know it's a tissue box. I have the window from where you pull the tissue. This was a cube shape, and I saved two of the flaps. I saved the piece above the cutout for the tissue, and I just took extra pieces and made a pocket for that side. Now, your tissue box may not be something you want to save. Go ahead and cover it with paper. I highly recommend paper, cardstock, and this glitter paper is very heavy. It really adds to the bulk. But let's fill this. I made this tag to be the insert for this folio. So here's this pocket right here, right between the two pieces. And look at here, our handsome gentleman. Here it is, his Victorian snow-covered home and his lamppost. This was a die cut from another package that, look at the green, practically identical match. And so I kept the box and used these Victorian snow-covered homes to add to my old-fashioned looking folio. These gems, all those came from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to fill this front pocket with a note card that I made with just AI vintage looking snow scenes, an old photograph that I scanned of a winter scene, and here is my tag image. I made an extra one for my swap partner so they could use it as well for a journal card. So I'm putting that in there. These little bits of ephemera can help them build another journal or give them journal space in this pocket right here, this folio. Isn't that awesome? I love how this turned out. A little bit of fabric, a charm, and lace. All these layers help create this winter collage of this great tissue box folio. I hope you make one too. Thanks for going through this walkthrough with me. I would love it if you found this fun and inspiring too. Give my page a follow and leave a comment if you've ever tried making projects out of recycled materials. I would love to hear how your process went. And thank you all for hanging around. You all have a great day.